got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
I got chills, then multiplying.
So hello everyone, it's Salvador and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time and welcome back to my channel. Guys, what's going on? How are you guys doing? Yes, you guys, I've already told you guys my laptop is here with me, but I wanted you guys to know I just posted a video about Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency, and the crypto coins that people have been, actually I heard about it a few months ago and I joined it. That was like July, August, and I wanted to give you guys an update about what's going on, the breakout going on, and I will be doing screen record so you guys can see my good. Okay, so you guys can see how my portfolio is doing. Let's see, how are you guys doing? So when I talked about crypto, I don't know, did any of you, are you guys interested in it, or did you say, okay, let me just try it and see? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, just like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, altcoins are also coins that I believe that someday there's a possibility that these coins would be valuable like Bitcoin. And I was like, you know what? Why don't you just try it? Because I have seen so many miracles have happened from cryptocurrency trading and all that stuff. Lots of people have been able to retire from their jobs, and honey, I don't want to be in my 40s doing people's hair. So I'm not saying this is a good investment, you must do it, but if you're interested in it like I am, you just never know. We are the little people and we need someone that have our back, and you guys know I have your back. Okay, so let's go to Weibo. I'll do with Weibo just because Weibo is my, I'll check the both of them for you guys. Okay, so as of right now, this is around in the morning, around 3 a.m, 2:32 a.m. in the morning, and let's see, I have on Weibo, I have 511,9.94 million thousands. So 511.94 million, so almost 512 million Shiba coins. Okay, it shows that I have over, what the, you're lying. I'm not complaining at all because my portfolio with stocks has been down since February. So seeing this help, even the playing field for me, I'll take it. So it shows that I now have, when I got this, it was about 3.2% of my portfolio, but now it's now at 8.7%. And you guys can see my total cost at 4,000 plus, and now it's now at 11. So I have a profit, so far I have a growth of 7,000 plus. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you guys joined when I started buying, but the first buy was in August. This is October. Okay, so let's go to, wow, it keeps, when I got it, it was around 5065 plus, and then I bumped it to 813, and now it's now at 4 zeros and 22. You guys see, oh my god, honey, so many lives. If this gets to a penny, I don't know what to say. Just the thoughts, it's like, let's go to the crypto.com. Let's see how it's going. Let's see, crypto.com. This would be my order. It's 2:05 in the morning. I don't want to scream because my landlord would wake up and ask for rent.
What's so funny?
But as you can see, my portfolio has grown by, let's see my account and see Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Oh my god. 48,000. Guys, my investment was, is it 12 or so? Yeah, my investment was 12,000. So it has grown by this much. Oh my god, it's I'm not upset at all because guys, I'm tired of breaking my back to do people's hair. So if this works out, guys, it's better to try than not try at all, okay? I will be able to retire my mom, my sisters, like, oh, if this keeps, does well. But I believe in it, so I wanted to share what I'm seeing with you guys. I'm just in shock that I'm like, when you're like, okay, I'm still in disbelief because it's not physical, it's still in the phone. But yeah, this is the growth. It's growing. It has been this. There have been a long consolidation for so long, and now it's now breaking out because while I was working on someone, I told them about it. So people are now knowing about it, and the more scarce these coins become, the more valuable they become. So this is my, let's see what I have on my crypto in. So my crypto in shows that I have, let's see, so I have $67 worth of earnings I have gotten from stacking my coins with crypto.com. Guys, that is another way of making passive income, okay? Because my money is now working for itself, okay? Yeah, let me know if you guys are into Shiba, if you guys care about it or not, okay? And yeah, until next time, this is insane.
A lot.
So guys, sometimes patience, and I have made a lot of mistakes, being scared, and I've just gotten to the point where it's all or nothing. So that's the stage I am in my life today, because I want to retire early, not when I'm 65, so that way I can be able to take care of the stuff I've always planned on doing. Let me know in the comments below, how do you guys feel about the acknowledgement of Shiba coins, the acknowledgement of cryptocurrencies? What's your, what do you guys think about it? I'm a Shiba army. I'm here for it. I'll take it, honey, because guys, what I'm seeing on my screen, in order to make this, that would take me how many years to get this type of growth from working? Especially with the salon, that would take me another 10 years, because that salon, I've had losses for the past 4 years plus, and I cannot do another year. So that's why I'm not signing the lease for 1 whole year. No, I can do till June, but they refuse. So looks like the universe is telling me it's time to start planning on moving on from the hair industry, possibly, who knows. Well, yeah, I can still do hair as a hobby. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
You should only go where you are celebrated, not just tolerated. There are a lot of people who are in places and around people who tolerate them, but they don't celebrate them.
'Cause I'm loving myself real good. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. In a way that you know.